I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I said, now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I said,
What? No, it's fine.
I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid, and I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go, but the wind may blow and the grass may grow, and for all we know, well, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What have we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we are so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I said, I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I said, now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I said, I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one. You're my only regret. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word I said. I never
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast where I mean every word I say. Is that right? Yep. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Except... What's one word I meant? You meant them all. Yeah, huh? And I'm so sorry. And that's all I have to say about that. BOOZHOO! How you doing? Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is NATASHA. BOOZHOO! Kakina! Hello all! This is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. How you doing, brother? I'm great. How are you? I'm cold. Yeah, I'm cold too. But hey, it's a it's a high of 10 below today. Yeah, that's something. High of 10 below. That's the high. It was like a low of 20 below. It's going to get up to 10 below zero. And then back down again. It's ridiculous. I feel like we live on the moon. Yeah. It's so cold. Guess not. It's cold. It's cold here on this, what are we calling this today? It's Nijo Gisha Good. It's the second day. The second day in a row where the pipes have frozen up. The second day, they've been freezing up every day for a week. Yeah, you're right. Ugh. I've had it. Hey, Krabby. A little bit. Nijo Gisha Good. It's the second day. So you'll have to forgive me if I'm not all warm and, usually on this show when people come in like, oh, hello, welcome to this show. We're so happy to see you. Well, guess what? I'm kind of cold and crabby. You're not going to get any of that warmth from me today. Sweetie, don't say that. Nah, I'm just kidding. You know what warms my heart, sweetie? What's that? The BOOZHOO crew. Nah, get out of here. Yep. I'm feeling warmer already because John Redcorn's here. John's here? Sure is. Hey, BOOZHOO, John. What's up, Mr. Redcorn? You know what? I got an idea, sweetie. What? Let's give him a gold star. A gold star? Okay. That's crazy talk. That's crazy talk. Gold star for John Redcorn and Diane Swope. Oh, Diane's back, sweetie. Well, hi, Diane. What's going on, my sister from another mister? Let's get a silver star for Diane, the Swopester. For the Swopester. And Zagame. Ho. Zagame, Zagame, Zagame. Hey, hey. I got to say. BOOZHOO Zagame. Hey. BOOZHOO Zagame. Hey. If Paul Stanley said hi to Zagame, he'd be like, hello, Zagame. Yeah, pretty much. Paul, if you had to say hi to Zagame, how would you say it? If I had to say hi, I'd say, how you doing, Zagame? Oh, whoa, whoa, woo, woo. All right, then. See, we're warming up. BOOZHOO. Let's get a bronze star for Zagame. Zagame. John Martin Redcorn's like, yeah, it's cold. I don't know. Brr. Hey, Brian's here, sweetie. The Soul Man? He sure is. Did he get here? Did he get what he got the hard way? He got it the hard way. Got what I got the hard way. Light it up each and every day. BOOZHOO, Soul Man. You don't get any stars, though. You had to be here sooner. I'm sorry, I can't just throw around stars like they're free, you guys. You know, I got bills too. I got a heating bill that's gonna put me in a poorhouse. Yeah, huh? Anyway. Let's see who else is here. La-dee-da. Shelly Ham. Hello, all. Boozhoo is Shelly Ham. Is that all ham, Shelly here? Yep, she sure is. And Jim Dunn. Jim says, wait for it. Come spring, nah, just getting. Just getting. Spring is coming. I know. Everybody, I'm saying this to myself. Just relax. This always happens every year. It's called January, and then it's called February. You made it through December. You're going to make it through January. And, you know, I hate to live like that, just wishing time away. Oh, I wish it was spring, but here we are. But anyway, at least Jim's here. Yeah, at least we got Jim. We've still got Jim. If nothing else. Brian, I love tacos, but not spicy. Yeah, you come up to Bemidji and people are like, oh, let's go get some tacos. I love Mexican food. And you go there and it's like ground beef, ketchup, and a burrito. It's like, how is this a Mexican food? Minnesota people don't like spicy food. We grew up on, like wild rice and macaroni and mayonnaise. You go to like Walmart up here, they don't even bother selling spicy salsa. The hottest salsa you can get in Bemidji is like mild salsa. It's basically ketchup with chunks of tomato in it. Here you go. Here's some salsa from Minnesota. It won't even make you sweaty. And Joseph's here. BOOZHOO Joe. What's going on, my brother? Tish Bite's back. Hey, Tish Bite. With the owl. Uh-oh. You don't think Tish Bite's part of the what's that grove in Bohemian Grove? You think she's part of the Bohemian Grove because she put an owl on her thing? That's what I have to assume. That's Moloch or somebody. Tish Bite's into the Illuminati. No way. I don't know. I can't confirm it, but I suspect. I don't know. There already was a red wolf. There already was a red wolf. Yeah, we were talking about a red wolf. Or a ginger wolf. Nobody, whenever people talk about wolves, the Maingan, oh, look at me. I'm so traditional. I've got a gray wolf. But the one wolf nobody talks about, the red wolf, is a ginger among the wolves, huh, sweetie? I don't know about the ginger wolf. You don't know about the ginger wolf? It's got freckles and orange hair. Isn't that just a fox? Oh, yeah. Is a ginger wolf, a little ginger wolf, just a red fox? Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah. They do seem like cousins. For sure, they're cousins. Jim says, I hate to rub it in, but I'm going for a motorcycle ride this afternoon. Jim can actually go outside to play. Must be nice. It must be nice. I wish I could go outside without dying, without getting frostbite. But no, I gotta live in Bemidji. I gotta live in Bemidji, sweetie. Yeah. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Anamikika. Thunder. And Benesiwag are the thunderbirds. So you have to ask yourself, why? Why would NANABOOZHOO talk about the thunder and the thunderbirds? Anamikika. Well, back in the days of their grandfathers, and up to this day, there was a band called Ojindam who wrote a song called God of Thunder. And when I found this video, I was thinking, hey, this will be fun. I'll play God of Thunder, and then the word of the day can be thunder. But now I think it's kind of dumb. But anyway, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO will return after these messages from Folgers Coffee. Did you know that Folgers, the best part of waking up, is Folgers in your cup? You know, I'd heard that before. Is that true? It is true. A lot of people think it's a conspiracy theory. Oh, how can that be? The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. I'd like to tell a story about Folgers. Back in the days of the grandfathers, Paul Stanley wanted to write a commercial jingle for some reason. Didn't have enough money from Kiss merchandise. And so there was a period in the late 90s, I think, when he cut his hair a little bit shorter. And he wrote Folgers jingle and filmed a full-on Folgers commercial. And Folgers was like, what? Who are you now? No, we're not going to play your commercial, but I am. We'll return after these messages. Miigwech, Biz, and Dawieg. All right, what do I do with that, sweetie?
This is your wake-up call. Time to reach, go for it all. Folgers stirs inside of me, and I know what I can be. Limit is the sky. Hey world, watch me fly. The best part of waking up.
Now watch this. He just disappears. Boom. He does like a magician's thing there and then disappears. And this is God of Thunder. Gitchi Manadu of Anamakika.
You got something about you. You got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as a one. God of thunder and rock and roll, whoa. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. I was lord of the wasteland, the modern day man of steel. I gathered darkness to please me. I command you to kneel before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
Ojibwe language and culture for a while. But yeah, so I have this I call it a podcast. It's called BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Hello NANABOOZHOO. And I teach Ojibwe language and culture. So like in Ojibwe Moan, in the Ojibwe language, for kiss we'd say Ojindam. Ojindam is kiss in Ojibwe.
Ojindam, kiss. And Anamakika is thundering. But I feel like we also have to talk about Inabiwin. Inabiwin is a lightning bolt, like in the KISS logo. Inabiwin. But sometimes when there's a flash, like when the whole sky lights up, and we go, oh, it's lightning. That's called a wasese magud. That's like flash lightning. A flash of lightning. Now, for the longest time, I've often wondered about KISS and their logo. What have you thought? Well, it's just really strange. I always assumed that KISS was so dumb that even though Paul Stanley was Jewish, when he came up with the KISS logo, he stole the Nazi SS for their logo, you know? And it's just like, well, that's great, you know? Just because you're Jewish doesn't mean you knew anything about the Holocaust or the World War II or anything. But after so many years have gone by, now I think that they were part of the Illuminati early on, that they were indeed, I think Gene Simmons sold his soul to the devil for fame and riches or whatever. And then they have to put out all this weird like symbolism in plain sight. And so I think biblically or whatever, they say the fallen angels, they came down like lightning. That's right. Doesn't Barack Obama mean fallen angel or something? Yeah, in Hebrew, Barak means something like fallen angel or lightning bolt or something. There's some creepy stuff there too. But in Abiwin, the lightning bolt is a satanic symbol. And that's why the SS guys used it. I mean, it goes back. It's part of like the occult. And like Hitler was into all that Freemasonry. I don't know if he was a Freemason or how that works. But, you know. I don't think you have to be a conspiracy theorist or a, you know, an evangelical Christian to go, yeah, you know, I bet you Hitler served Satan. You know. I don't think anybody's going to be like, no, not Hitler. Yeah. What? Hitler? You're kidding me. You mean he might have been a Satanist? No way. In Abiwin is a lightning bolt. Wasese magud. Wasese magud. It's a flash of lightning. I don't believe the Benjamin Franklin story. You don't believe he discovered electricity? No, I don't believe that at all. But I also don't believe the kite and the key story. Maybe you should tell the kids what the story is. You know, they probably don't even know. Hi, kids. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. I know the old people know this story already. We all grew up being brainwashed in public school to worship Benjamin Franklin. Oh, he discovered electricity. Oh, he invented the bifocal. Oh, he's basically, you know, there was George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, and Benjamin Franklin. These were the heroes they told us to worship when we were kids. All a bunch of propaganda. Benjamin Franklin, after he died, they found a bunch of bodies in his basement. Guy was like a murderer or something. Just a creep. But the story goes, back in the days of the grandfathers, Benjamin Franklin was a genius and a scholar and a scientist. And he was doing an experiment. So he thought, what would happen if I took a kite, went out in a lightning storm, in a rainstorm, flew that kite, but then tied a metal key to the string. So he goes out one night, big old storm comes in, rain, you know, he's out there all wet. And I think he even has like a gay friend who's with him. Does he really? Yeah, I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty sure Benjamin Franklin was gay and his boyfriend was with him. I mean, I think it was bi. Anyway, that's not important to the story, children. But he's out there, and then, sure enough, in Abiwin, a lightning bolt hits that key, and I guess string's a conductor now. And a string, you know, shocked him. And he was like, ah! And he fell back and he went, ah! I have a great idea. I will harness the electricity of lightning, I guess. And the next day he went out and he invented the telephone. And this is a story. What? Yeah. You mean he invented electricity? Whatever. Yeah, Benjamin Franklin. Yeah. Yeah, he's great. What's this you ask? Who's Tesla? Never mind that. There's no need to learn about Tesla. After the rock band Tesla comes out, then people will start questioning who Tesla was. But, when I was a kid, there was no 80s rock band called Tesla. I'm a cowboy. No, that was Bon Jovi. Tesla is like, love is all around you. Love is knocking outside your door, waiting for you. Is this love made just for two? La-dee-dum. But anyway, so that's a stupid story. It never happened. It's just like George Washington chopping down a cherry tree. Why do they make up these stories for kids about actual historical people? Maybe they weren't historical at all. You're thinking maybe that George Washington and Ben Franklin, those guys are just fictional characters? For all I know, they lie about everything. Why wouldn't they lie about that? That's a good point. Don't know much about history. Like a flash of lightning. But anyway, so the lightning bolts are supposed to represent fallen angels. Satan's army of, the knights in Satan's service. Kings in Satan's service, whatever they're called. KISS. And there's all the Illuminati stuff you could ever dream of, all wrapped up in KISS. You've got Gene Simmons, of course, just full-on demon, bat wings on his face. That long tongue. That tongue's in a lot of Satanism stuff and, voodoo things. I've always hated anybody who sticks their tongue out, except Gene Simmons. For some reason, I give him a pass. But, how those guys, everybody falls all over themselves. You ever see those guys from, New Guinea or somewhere? Guys that got tattooed faces, and they come out and they're like, or whatever. I can't do it. And they do their, tribal intimidation rituals at some soccer game or whatever. And people are like, wow, look at that. Look at those brave. They still have their culture and they're fierce, whatever. I'm always like, shut up. Stick your tongue back in your mouth. I don't need to see that. But KISS, they've got kind of a, they're wearing makeup on their faces, the tongue imagery, creepy stuff. Paul Stanley has one eye symbolism with the 5-pointed star, a pentagram. They never call it a pentagram. Oh, it's a star. I want to be a star. What? Now you're wearing a black pentagram on your one eye symbolism. Black and white. That's a free Masonic thing. The checkerboard. What else? Ace Frehley and fake space. Ace Frehley and fake space. Yeah, the whole moon landing. Outer space programming. Ace Frehley represented that aspect of the Illuminati lies. And then there's another one. Vinnie Vincent. What about Vinnie? When Vinnie Vincent started, he was the Egyptian warrior. And he wore an actual, not crucifix, but cross, gold cross on his face. And he represented something from Egyptian, whatever. Are cats something what to do with Illuminati? There is something about brainwashing, the MK Ultra thing and the kitten. Oh yeah, the sex kitten thing or whatever. Yeah. So, as much as I hate to admit it, after all these years, the Christian kids would bully me at summer camp for wearing a KISS shirt. You guys are right. Yeah, I guess they were Satan worshippers. They got their power and their fame and her money and all this stuff from selling her soul. He's never admitted it. They always deny it, you know. Gene Simmons and Paul Stanley are not Bob Dylan. Bob Dylan sold his soul? Yeah, remember that video where that interview on 60 Minutes where Bob Dylan said he got his lyrical genius and all of his song ideas from, I think the way he put it was the commander of the unseen world or something like that. Pretty much just said, yeah, I sold my soul to the devil to become successful in music. It's like, good trade, dummy. Oh, you know who else is over? Who's that? Neil Young. Old man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were. What did Neil Young do? Neil Young says, Spotify can either play boring, old, badly sung Neil Young songs from the 70s, or they can play Joe Rogan podcasts. Did he give him an ultimatum? Yeah. Why would he do that? Well, because Neil Young is, number one, not young. They should call him Neil Aged. Neil old timer. Neil senior citizen thinks Joe Rogan spreads misinformation about the V word. Vaginas? No. Sweetie. What? You know, the vaccinations or whatever. COVID, you know, the C word. The C word? Don't say it. I wasn't going to say it. I'm sorry, you guys. No, you know, Neil Young apparently works for Fauci or something. But he's like, I don't want to, you can't play my music on your platform unless you censor Joe Rogan, the number one most popular broadcaster in the world. Yeah, okay. We all kind of forgot you were alive, Neil Young. You can't go around threatening Spotify with your, oh yeah, well then you can't play. I went to Redwood. I've been to Hollywood. I served an honor with a heart of gold. You're terrible, Neil Young. Everybody's just been nice to you all these years because we don't want to hurt your feelings. You're our elder. But now that you got to get all political, I'm going to tell you what we really think of your music. Nobody thinks you can sing. You're almost as bad as Bob Dylan. I've been to Redwood, I've been to Hollywood, I searched the color for the heart of gold. It's such a passion to the boogoo. Nobody knows how to sing his songs because we forgot the words. Because who cares anyway? Yeah, I'm done with Neil Young. You're canceled, Neil Young. How about that? Let's censor Neil Young. Go back to Vietnam. That's when you were relevant, by the way. In the 60s. That was like 60 years ago now. Go away. But anyway. La-dee-dee-dum-bum. So, sweetie. Yeah? Do you want to get up there and say hello to the crew? I could. Are we going to play a song? Yeah. You know, I never meant to cause you any sorrow. No. I never meant to cause you any pain. But I only wanted one time to see you laughing. All right. This is Purple Rain. I don't know. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. Oh, yeah. I never meant to cause you any pain. Tell me about it. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. You mean like this? I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Whoa. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple never want to be your weekend lover. Ooh. I only want to be some kind of friend. Maybe I can never steal you from another. Such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Yeah, yeah. Such a shame our friendship had to end. I don't think that's the lyrics. I don't think he just keeps on singing. Doesn't he? It's such a shame our friendship had to end. Doesn't somebody bathe? You know, what do I know? BOOZHOO it! What? Oh, brother. Bloop. Okay, BOOZHOO. Sweetie. What is it? I wanted you to teleport me outside, not to Sesame Street. Oh, brother, did I accidentally teleport you to Sesame Street? Yeah, I'm in the middle of Sesame Street. Where's, okay. Oh, yep, sure enough. You know that little thingy where you dial in? Yeah, I'm sorry, sweetie. Did you want me to take you, bring you home? No, it's okay. I'll just put some tobacco out here. All right. Just give me a call when you want me to pick you up. Okay. All right. Talk to you later. Roger that. Over and out. Over and out, sweetie. Thanks. So how you guys doing? Yeah, Sesame Street. Nobody's here. I wonder if they're all at like a pride march or something. You know, Sesame Street's gotten so woke. I don't know. You know, it's weird being back here. When I was a little girl, I'd watch Sesame Street. So no way. I kind of feel like, you know, is this my hometown? You know, when you're a little kid, the people you watch on TV, they become kind of like your friends. You know, you feel like you sort of know Ernie and Bert. You kind of know what Oscar's like. He's not even over there, you know. I can do an impersonation. You want to hear my Cookie Monster? I'm not good at doing voices, so you'll have to bear with me. This is my impersonation of Cookie Monster. Cookie! I don't know, I can't do it. Cookie Monster. He was an addict, a food addict or something. He had an eating disorder. And he was hooked on sugar. Or he might have been like on crack or something. I'm not sure how people behave on crack. Or just straight up cocaine. Cookie Monster could have been a cocaine addict. And then just... Is cookie like... Cookie might be code word. You know, like they call marijuana grass. Maybe crack cocaine on the streets called Cookie. And Cookie Monster just wanted more crack cocaine to smoke. I don't know. These are mean streets. You got homeless people like Oscar, the homeless guy, who's also depressed. He's the grouch. Yeah, okay. I'd be grouchy too if I had to sleep in a can. You'd have everybody make fun of me. Got big old flightless birds walking around. 7 feet tall, flightless birds. You can only imagine what your car looks like after Big Bird poops on it. I don't want to be around when Big Bird drops a deuce. Drops a deuce. It is worth a deuce. Who else is there? There's, of course, the Count, a vampire. Just straight up undead, unholy terror of the night. He loves to count. Such a play on words, but he's a vampire. There's monsters like Grover, transgenders like Gonzo.
I don't know if Gonzo was ever on Sesame Street, but he's transgendered and has been since he was a baby. Because that's the message of Sesame Street now. It's really important that, you learn about transgenderism. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection. The lovers, the dreamers, and me. I always thought the Rainbow Connection was like a gay bar. But, dreamers and me, all of us under its spell. What spell is that? Oh, the spell of homosexuality. Let's teach your kindergartner about it. It's time. Here it comes. Reconnection successful. I'd like to apologize if we just went off the air for a second. I hope we're back. I've learned that there's it's probably artificial intelligence or something. But YouTube, there's certain terms or things you're not supposed to talk about. It's so crazy in 1984. But there's the T word. T is for transgenderism. And people say the F word, feminism. Not that F word, you guys. Come on. A lot of YouTubers don't want to say the word feminism. Because you'll get a strike or something. What is some flat earth, COVID, vaccinations, 9/11. I mean, you can talk about those things in a way, but if you string together certain ideas, then trouble happens, like you'll lose your connection for some reason. You could say job and inside, and you can say the numbers 11 and 9, but if you turn that around and you put it in a different order, and like if you say, let me see if this will shut the live stream off. 9/11 was an inside job. Oh, no, we're okay. Wouldn't it be weird if we had another 9/11, but it hit Sesame Street? Oh, man. I would watch that. I kind of wish the Islamic terrorists would come back and, fly a plane into Sesame Street. If they were really all about what they told us they were, they're just hardcore fundamentalist Islamic guys who just hate the West. Oh, they hate our freedom. If it was really like that, they would hate Sesame Street. With all the Kermit singing with the transgender guys and Gonzo and all the, the gay puppets and, I think Sesame Street's got it coming. No. Anyway, I was going to say a prayer. What am I talking about? Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to put out a little tobacco and you live in a city, well, throw it on the ground. I don't know what to tell you. Let's see, Gichimanadu. Utapanani we asema. Except my tobacco. Gichimanadu. Takawi tukawishin. Minaway nungum. Help me to speak well today. As I stand here in a deserted Sesame Street set. Mikwech. Gaishi kakina keku. Gaishi chikea nungum. Thank you for everything you do today. Mikwech. Albamanazian. Thank you for my life. Mikwech kaishi kishakak. Thank you for this day. And Mikwech bisandawieg. Thank you for listening. Apenge. Amen. And just a little prayer. Somewhere over the don't know. Do 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 la dee dum dee dum bum. Yeah. I don't know. Sesame Street. I remember the day Mr. Hooper died. Hoopa. It was funny. Big Bird could never remember his name. I have the same problem. He'd be like, how's it going, Mr. Pooper? And Mr. Hooper goes, that's Hoopa. Hoopa. I think he said, in my memory, that was the joke. Maybe he never said that, but I just made up that joke when I was a little girl. Hoopa. Hoopa. Oh, yeah. Don't see any terrorists who've hijacked some planes. I sure hope they don't fly into one of these buildings here on Sesame Street. Oh, there goes Spider-Man. Yeah, I thought he was around. Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. I haven't seen the new Spider-Man. I hear it's good, it looks pretty fun, even though all those movies are dumb. Okay, guess I'll go back. Bloop.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come home?
Yeah, would you mind locking in on my coordinates and all that and teleporting me home?
Yeah, sure, hang on.
Okay.
All right, I've located your coordinates. I'm locking in 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
Hey, sweetie, welcome back.
Ah, thanks.
How is it?
Well, I was on Sesame Street.
Oh, that's right. That's so weird.
Because, you know, it's nice and warm there. I think they film in California or somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
So anyway, yeah, I was just remembering Sesame Street, what a messed up place it is.
Why would you say that?
Ah, you know, because of the homeless and the big old birds and all the monsters and vampires and stuff. I mean, come on. Dangerous street, that Sesame Street.
Yeah, I wouldn't go there.
So, anyway, if you'd like to support the show, we have some links in the description below. We've got a Patreon page where people give us a little bit every month. And when you do that, you get a book from Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. And we have a PayPal. You can send us a tip on PayPal. Go buy some breakfast or something. And we also have a GoFundMe page. We're trying to raise some money. Haven't gotten a GoFundMe tip in a long time, have we?
No, but that's okay. We get super chats and stuff.
Yeah. And we also have super chats if you'd like to give us a super chat. I'm always embarrassed to even say that, to remind people. But, you know. And thank you to everyone who sends us support for the show. Junia. It keeps us going, and we really appreciate it. And Michael Lyons has books for sale in Ojibwe language on Amazon.com. Books like OJIBERISH and Dog and Mangan and Little Cutie at Teddy Bear's Vision Quest and BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO and stuff. And some comic books too, huh?
Yep.
So check that out. Otherwise,
Hey, sweetie.
yeah.
You want to take a call?
Oh, sure. On line 2?
Yep, line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hi, Natasha. How you doing?
Well, hi, Pope Francis. Sweetie, it's Pope Francis.
Hey there, Pope.
Hi, NANABOOZHOO. How you doing?
Oh, you know, I'm not too bad.
Say, Natasha, I was wondering, can I learn the Ojibwe word of the day?
You want to learn the Ojibwe? Sure. Well, today we were talking about it being the second day. Nisho Gisha Good. And that's the Ojibwe word for Tuesday.
Second day. Nizo Giza Good. The second day. You know, here at the Vatican, the second day is the day we get drunk on wine.
Okay.
But we also do that on the third day and the fourth day. But on the fifth day, that's when I drink a fifth of whiskey.
Okay. Didn't ask, but fine.
What else did you talk about today?
Well, we talked about Anamakika. Thunder. Anamakika.
Thunder. Anamakika. Did you know that Paul Stanley actually wrote God of Thunder?
Yeah, of course I know that.
But Gene Simmons sang it.
Yeah. So?
Well, it's just weird. Why wouldn't Paul Stanley sing God of Thunder?
I don't know. But then we also had a Benesi Wug, or the Thunderbirds. Oh yeah, we didn't tell the Thunderbird story.
Oh, yeah, I'll do that some other time.
Benesi Wug, that's a Thunderbirds?
Yep.
Wow, what are Thunderbirds?
Well, in an old Ojibwe story, we kind of think of thunder as this giant bird, a thunderbird, that would come, and those are the flapping of his wings making that noise. And it's nothing to be afraid of. It's scary, but he never hurts us. Because he's a Benesiwag. They are the Benesiwag. They're the thunderbirds. The birds that bring the noise. Anamakika is thunder and whatever. And then we just did that because we wanted to sing God of Thunder.
Yeah, it's a really good song.
Yeah. And then Inabiwin is a lightning bolt.
Win, a lightning bolt.
Yeah. And a flash of lightning when the whole sky, lights up. That's called a Wasese Magud.
Wasese Magud. That's a flash of lightning. Wow. Yeah, that's really interesting.
Thank you. I mean, yeah, I think so too. So, what else is going on in your world there, Pope Francis?
I just gotta do Pope stuff. They make me do all this official stuff, and I gotta go to church like every day. And then I just gotta sit around and smoke cigarettes and drink wine.
You smoke cigarettes and drink wine?
Yeah, got a lot of stress being God's favorite.
You think you're God's favorite?
Yeah, I'm second in line to Jesus.
No, you're not.
No, I'm kidding around. But my followers, they really think I'm something special.
Yeah, they do. And I'm sure you're special in your own way.
Yeah, I guess so. Well, I better get going.
Okay.
How do you say, I will see you again in Ojibwe?
Well, we say, Gigawaba min, minawa.
Gigawaba min, minawa, Natasha.
You Gigawaba min, Pope.
Hey, NATASHA.
Yes, sir.
Gigawaba min, minawa.
Yep. You go have him in, Minawa, Pope Francis.
See you later, buddy. Wow, Pope Francis is watching the show.
Yeah, what else has he got to do?
Hey, Zagame! Zagame just gave us another $5.
That's Zagame.
Sweetie, you don't have to do that, but we really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Miigwech Kaiji Junia. Thank you for the moolah. It goes a long ways. La-di-da. Okay, now you follow. And Zagame's like, come on. I just put in $5. Who else has got $5? Let's see ya. We're not leaving until we get another super chat.
That's a dumb threat.
You think so?
Yeah, because people who don't want us to leave aren't going to leave a tip, and they're the only ones who would tip in the first place.
Oh, yeah. We don't deserve super chats.
Why not?
Because you know how many times we've left a super chat on videos we like?
A total of 0.
Exactly. I've never left a super chat. I should. Anyway, thank you so much. La 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 la. Far away from here. Here in the arms of Sarah McLachlan. May you? I wonder how many dogs Sarah McLachlan has.
Yeah, she better have like a whole just kennel of dogs.
I know. Do you think she made money from the Adopt-A-Pet people?
For using her song?
Yeah.
Probably.
In the arms arms of the angel, far away from here. All right, you guys. I don't know if I have anything else going on, sweetie.
Do we want to call it a show?
It's not a full hour yet.
Talk a little bit about the live show.
All right. If anybody is going to be in the Little Falls, Minnesota area Thursday night, come on down to the Great River Art Center. I'm not sure what time the whole show starts. We'll be on stage from, 7 to 8:30?
I think so.
We should really know that before I start talking about it. But we're going to be doing a live show in Little Falls, Minnesota, Thursday, January 27th. It is the eve of Michael Lyons' 55th birthday because he's so old.
Hey.
Nah. But it's true. Michael turns 55 on the 28th. So why don't you come on the 27th and we'll sing. We'll do the phrase of the day. It will be happy birthday or something.
I specifically did it on that day so it wouldn't be on my birthday.
No, you didn't. You wanted to party up the last of your early 50s.
That's true, isn't it?
Yeah. When you turn 55, you're no longer early 50s. You're now, actually one day in, you're in the late 50s.
Well, mid-50s.
Yeah, whatever. Don't worry though, 55's the new 45. Like that's better. Anyway, so come on down. We're going to be doing some live jokes and Michael's going to bring his guitar. And if you'd like to learn how to sing the Ojibwe word for blueberry pie, that's the place to be. But it'll be fun. I hope you come out. And I think it's free, so whatever. And we'll be making the big bucks, huh, sweetie?
Yeah, we will.
Anyway, so that's gonna be fun. A little nervous, but looking forward to it. Should be okay. We need to buy some more sage.
Bushkode Jibik.
Bushkode Jibik. Bushkode Jibik. Bushkode Jibik. Bushkode Jibik. Nukwajigan, Nukwajigan. Bushkode Jibik is Ojibwe for sage. Nukwajigan means to smudge. Bushkode Jibik. Bushkode Jibik. La 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 la. We could do a whole album just in Ojibwe.
Yeah, but they're all short songs.
I know, they're all like 2 minutes long. Mina bashki mina sakani batu si chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sakani batu si chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sakani batu si chikani bakwe shikan is the Ojibwe word for blueberry pie. Now, some of you who are studying Ojibwe language, I know you're not coming here to learn that much Ojibwe because you're not going to get much. You're going to get like 1 or 2 phrases a day. But a lot of people who like our show like it because they're kind of into learning the language. And if you're like in your early 20s and you're studying, maybe you had a good Ojibwe teacher in high school, you know, a couple of phrases, you can introduce yourself, the weather, you can count to 10. Maybe you can offer tobacco to the great spirit or something. That's great. But I want to warn you, be prepared. You might end up teaching an Ojibwe class yourself, even before you're ready. And when you start teaching an Ojibwe class, because it's hard to find Ojibwe teachers, it's not the kind of thing you can really major in. Can you?
You could probably major in it at Bemidji College.
Yeah. But the one question you'll get, invariably, they'll always go, oh, you're teaching Ojibwe? Do you know the word for blueberry pie? because they say it's the longest word in Ojibwe. And I don't even know if that's true. But that rumors went around. So now when everyone thinks that, so you better be ready to rattle off. Oh, you mean Minabushki Minasagani Batusichigani Bakwajigan? Well, yeah, of course. Gotta know how to say Minabushki Minasagani Batusichigani Bakwajigan. I mean, come on. What is this? Minabushki Minasagani Batusichigani. Yeah, yeah. Or you can just rap it. Yeah, yeah. Minabushki Minasagani Batusichigani. I can't rap.
I can't rap either.
I'm way too square in a rap. Hey everybody, I'm here to say Natasha's gonna rap each and every day. Growing up in the hood, not doing bad, doing good. Rappity rap rap, rap rap. And this has been Gangster Rap with your little friend Natasha. Why don't you run to your fences? You've been out riding fences for so long now. Da-do-do-do-do. I can't remember any lyrics anymore.
I can't remember anything except Meatloaf these days.
Yeah, huh? The fires are streaming, the fires are howling right down. I can't remember those either. Anywho, well, baby, that's been an hour. Can I go now?
Yeah.
Okay. Michael, do you want to add anything?
No, just tell him I said thanks.
Michael Lyons would like to say miigwech for watching the show. I, because I speak Ojibwe, would like to say miigwech ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. Oh, hold on a second. Mr. Fancy Pants here has to change everything up. I want to say miigwech ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. And then we muted it. You know what? I think I'm crabby too, sweetie.
You crabby too now?
Yeah. How come our intro doesn't have any sound? All right, here we go. Miigwech ganawabieg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech, everyone.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much for watching.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Koa. All right, sweetie. If you'll teleport me to the kitchen, I'll get you some coffee.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. Because that's what a good woman does. And make me a sandwich?
Don't push your luck.
All right. One to teleport.
Make it so, number one. Ah.